I mean, there's no more exposure to say I have a Fifth Amendment right not to testify. And, you know, it's not that she didn't speak. I mean, she didn't testify in the courtroom, but I've never seen a case where a defendant comes out of the courtroom and just gives out-of-court statements like Karen Reed did. We had interviews. We had courthouse step statements. We had all these things. And those are all going to be relevant, too, because when she is deposed, all of those prior statements could be used to question her, to impeach her, to ask for clarification, and certainly on those statements where she says, I hit him, whether or not that's a question at the end of that statement or a period is going to be front and center on prior statements once she is compelled to testify.
Yeah, that documentary that she sat for where she said, could I have clipped him? Could I have bumped him? It wouldn't get to the level and didn't get to the level of beyond a reasonable doubt in a criminal case, but it could be much different in a civil trial. David, a follow-up, what do you think is next for these family members? I mean, this is an absolute tough time for them just because of what they believed and what now is the outcome. But other than the civil case, do they have any other recourse that you can think of in terms of what justice would mean for them?
You know, my first thought when I think of the family members of John O'Keefe is dealing with this on a day-to-day basis. They have been brought through, dragged through the media with 2 trials, right? And up and down, up and down. Oftentimes when I talk to my clients about trial work and the ups and downs, you just have to mentally and emotionally endure this process. And they had to do it twice. They had to do it in the press, and they did not get the result that they wanted. So ultimately, I have to really think and send my prayers out to that family, because forget about Canton's investigation, whether or not Karen Reed did it or not. They lost a family member abruptly. They never expected that. He has children, right, or at least one. I mean, there's family members that are grieving, and my prayers and thoughts go out to that family, because John O'Keefe is the victim of something, whether it was Canton police officers or Karen Reed, and that's my first thought on justice for this family.
Well said, David Bruno.